Social and Labor Convergence Program (SLCP) reduce audit fatigue, improve social compliance, build responsible supply chains. Presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Hello everyone, welcome to another professional knowledge sharing session from URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. If your organization supplies products to international brands, retailers or multinational companies, you have probably experienced the challenge of undergoing multiple social compliance audits from different customers. Each customer may require audits based on standards like SMETA, M4E, BSCI, WRAP, RAP, SA 8000 or customer specific protocols. These repeated audits consume significant time, cost and resources. To address this challenge, the global industry developed the Social and Labor Convergence Program, commonly known as SLCP. In today's video, we will understand what is SLCP, why was it developed, how does it work, who should implement it, benefits for manufacturers and brands, assessment process, required documentation, worker rights, environmental and health safety expectations, best practices, how URGS International can support your organization. Let us begin. What is SLCP? SLCP stands for Social and Labor Convergence Program. It is a multi-stakeholder initiative created to improve working conditions in global supply chains while reducing duplicate social compliance audits. Instead of every buyer conducting separate audits, factories complete one standardized data collection process that multiple customers can use. The purpose is simple: reduce audit duplication, improve data quality, save time, reduce costs, allow factories to focus more on improving working conditions rather than preparing for repeated audits. SLCP is not itself a certification. It is a framework for collecting and sharing verified social and labor compliance data. Why was SLCP developed? Global suppliers often face one audit this month, another next month, a different customer audit after that, different questionnaires, different reporting formats, different expectations. Although many requirements are similar, companies repeatedly answer the same questions. This creates audit fatigue, higher compliance costs, production disruptions, administrative burden. SLCP solves this issue through a standardized assessment methodology accepted by many international brands. Instead of multiple similar audits, one assessment can satisfy many customers. Objectives of SLCP. The major objectives include improved labor conditions, promote transparency, reduce unnecessary audits, increase efficiency, enhance data consistency, improve worker welfare, strengthen responsible sourcing, support sustainable supply chains, encourage continuous improvement. Industries using SLCP. SLCP is widely adopted in industries such as textiles, garments, footwear, leather, fashion, consumer goods, electronics, furniture, toys, packaging, food processing, automotive suppliers, chemical manufacturing, home furnishing, plastic products. Any organization supplying international buyers can benefit. Core areas covered. The assessment evaluates multiple aspects of social compliance. These include child labor, no employment of underage workers, age verification procedures, legal compliance, protection of young workers, forced labor, no bonded labor, no prison labor, no human trafficking, no withholding of identity documents, freedom to leave employment, working hours, compliance with legal limits, rest days, overtime management, attendance records, timekeeping accuracy, wages and benefits, minimum wage compliance, overtime payments, statutory benefits, payroll transparency, equal compensation, freedom of association, worker representation, worker committees, trade union rights, open communication, non-discrimination, equal employment opportunities, no discrimination based on gender, religion, age, disability, nationality, race, martial status, workplace health and safety, machine guarding, electrical safety, emergency preparedness, chemical safety, PPE, first aid, fire protection, training, risk assessment, incident reporting. Worker welfare. SLCP strongly emphasizes worker well-being. Organizations should ensure clean drinking water, sanitary facilities, safe dormitories, canteen hygiene, medical support, emergency response, worker training, respectful treatment, grievance mechanisms, mental well-being initiatives. Management systems. Effective management systems include written policies, management commitment, legal compliance, internal audits, training, document control, corrective actions, performance monitoring, continuous improvement, worker participation. Assessment process. A typical SLCP implementation follows these steps. Step 1, gap assessment. Current practices are reviewed. Step 2, documentation review, policies, payroll, attendance, training, contracts, licenses, permits, risk assessments. Step 3, self-assessment. Facility completes standardized information. Step 4, verification. Approved verifier validates submitted information. Step 5, data sharing. Verified information becomes available to authorized customers. Step 6, improvement actions. Organizations closes identified gaps. Documentation required. Typical documentation include employee records, payroll, attendance, employment contracts, age verification, health and safety procedures, training records, risk assessments, emergency drill reports, medical records, machine inspection reports, chemical inventory, PPE records, worker grievance records, legal permits, insurance documents, environmental permits, internal audit reports, corrective action reports. Benefits of SLCP. Organizations gain numerous advantages. These include reduced audit duplication, lower compliance costs, improved productivity, better worker satisfaction, enhanced customer confidence, global recognition, improved ESG performance, better transparency, improved supply chain credibility, increased buyer trust, continuous improvement, higher operational efficiency, stronger international competitiveness. Now, how URGS International supports organizations? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides complete support for organizations implementing social and labor convergence program requirements. Our services include SLCP awareness training, gap assessment, documentation development, compliance review, internal audits, management training, worker awareness programs, corrective action support, supplier compliance support, social compliance readiness, continuous improvement programs. Whether your organization is preparing for global buyers or strengthening responsible sourcing practices, our experienced professionals provide practical guidance tailored to your operations. At last, conclusion and call to action. The Social and Labor Convergence Program is transforming how organizations manage social compliance by replacing repetitive audits with a standardized, efficient assessment approach. By embracing SLCP principles, organizations can improve labor practices, enhance transparency, reduce compliance costs, and strengthen relationships with global customers. If your organization is planning to implement SLCP or improve its social compliance systems, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is here to help with expert consultancy, training, and implementation support. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights on ISO standards, ESG, sustainability, social compliance, inspections, audits, and internationally recognized management systems. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.